Today we will start with the factorization, that is module 1. There will be 3-4 modules. First module we are doing the process of finding out two or more expression whose product is given expression is called factorization. This is a language part, there is a definition I have written. I'll make you understand how to find it out. Then from here, factorization is a reverse process of multiplication. Something what I've written, just you go through once, you pause your video and see what I've written. Now from here I'm taking you the practical part. The practical part is that by taking out the common factors. See what I've written. This is our example 24x cube minus 32x. See, I've written 24 into 8 into 3 into x into x into x. Then from here and minus 8 into 4 into x. That is, see, from here I can take the HCF. HCF means what? Both these terms which is having the HCF means what? Highest common factor. The highest common factor is what? 8 and 8. And what is coming? X. Only one x and over x. Then what is the remaining? 3x into x is what? X square minus 4. See what I've written, HCF for 24x cube and 32x is 8x. 8x. That will be 8x. Then from here one more example. See, same kind of question I've written, but what I've written, see over here, taken same thing HCF and this one 3AB, but what I've written or means what? You can take directly common. That means what? These things you don't have to write it down, you can take directly the common part from this question only. Okay, now we go for the second exercise, that is the factorizing by grouping of terms. Today, now one more thing, that next part, the second exercise we will get. The second exercise maximum is on factorizing by grouping of terms. First 3 points are written: arrange the term, factorize each group, take out the factor which is common to the each group. See from here I've taken some question from exercise 4.2, that is first question, Roman 1, x square minus xy minus x minus y. Then from here I can, this is of how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4. Now from these 4 terms I have to make it pair. From the pair you take the common. See, in these two pairs what is the common? X I can take common. Then what is the remaining? X, and this is y. See, you multiply, x into x is x square, x into y is xy. Okay, now from here again you take a common. See, nothing is going common, so I can write down over here also minus 1. Why? As because it's minus and minus, nothing is going common, at least we can write down 1 here written. Then what is the remaining thing? X, but here it will be what? Plus. Minus into plus, it will be minus, and what is this? Y. Then from here I can see from 4 term how many terms are coming? 1 and 2 terms. This from 2 terms again you take out common. See, after doing this part you will see that this part, this bracket part and this bracket part have to be same. When you're taking out common also, you will see that every time this part and this part will be always same. If it is not coming same, that means you have done the sum wrong. Then from here, see, I can take x plus y common. See, x plus y I have taken common. So what is the remaining? X, this is minus and this is plus. Okay, hope you've understood this question also. One more question I have done. This one also, see, 6x square minus 3xy minus 10y plus 5. Same thing. See, in this 4th term I will take the pair. From this pair I will take the common. What is the common will be here? See, 3xy. What is the remaining? 2y minus 1. See, 3 into 2 is 6, x is there, y into y is y square. Same thing, same part we have done. Here is minus, and what is that? Both side we will take the common. Both from here I can take easily 5. Then from here 2y, that is minus y written minus. C, minus into minus will be plus. You have to reverse, you have to see the reverse also. Now from here, from these 2 terms I can take this one and this one as again common. See, 2y minus 1 and 3y minus 5. I hope you have understood. I've done some more sums also, and I'll be giving today also the classwork also. Today's classwork, you write down your copy. Don't keep it for your other days work. Today you complete your work, and the homework what I have given today also do it. Next class will be on Friday. Then Friday will complete both the exercises, homework assignment. Okay. Till that, have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Goodbye.